Now we'll be going through rational numbers. Rational numbers are basically any numbers that can be written as a fraction, and this includes fractions, integers, recurring decimals, and terminating decimals. Fractions can be written as fractions as they are already fractions. For integers such as 3, -2, and 6 can be written as 3 over 1, -2 over 1, and 6 over 1. So basically any integer can be written into a fraction by putting the integer in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. Recurring decimals are basically any decimals that constantly repeat. One example is 0.333 because the number 3 is constantly repeating. Or 0.124124124 because 124 is constantly repeating. So, for example, recurring 3s will actually give you 1 over 3. And terminating decimals are basically decimals that have an end. So like 0.5, -2.4, or 7.8. Now we'll be going through some practices. You can pause the video on each slide to practice for yourself before revealing the answer. We'll be converting each fraction to a decimal and determining if it's terminating or recurring. So for example, this fraction, 3 over 4. In a decimal form, 3 over 4 is 0.75. So as you can see, this is actually a terminating decimal. For the second question, the decimal 1 over 3 can be converted into the decimal 0.3 recurring, and hence the type of it is a recurring decimal. For question 3, the fraction is 5 over 8, and the decimal is 0.625. In this case, it is a terminating decimal.
Click subscribe to become smarter with Learn Maths Today channel.